Good morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about Arduino serial port and serial communication. Objective: on completion of this topic, students can understand the concept of Arduino serial port and serial communication. Serial communication. Serial communication is a method of transmitting data between a computer and Arduino or between two devices using single data line. Arduino has a built-in universal asynchronous receiver transmitter that allows serial communication through its RX and TX pin. Types of serial communication: universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter, use TX and RS pin for data transmission. Inter-integrated circuit, use 2 pin SDA and SCL, A4 and A5 in Arduino for communication with multiple devices. Serial peripheral interface uses MOSI, master out slave in, master in slave out, and clock for high speed data exchange. So how you will set that serial communication? So to enable serial communication, you will set up this void setup serial.begin. So 9600 is the baud rate, number of bits per second, and common value 1,15,200 for Wi-Fi and 50,600, 38,400. Sending data via serial monitor. Void loop, serial println hello Arduino, delay 1000. Receiving data, so same thing, we can read it from serial monitor. Void loop, if serial dot available is greater than 0, then string data is equal to serial dot read string, serial dot print you ended, serial dot println data. So serial dot available, check data is available, serial dot did read a single byte, read a string. For example, controlling an LED using serial communication. So output of the given program, use input 1 in serial monitor, output in serial monitor. LED on, LED status stand on, LED input 0 in serial monitor, user input 0, output in serial monitor. LED off, LED status cross for off. So serial communication, when the user enters 1 in serial monitor and press enter, the command 1 Arduino turns on LED is printed on the serial monitor. When the user enters 0, LED is off. So LED off is printed on the serial monitor. So for example, 1 enter LED on, LED off 1. So 0 for LED off. Application of serial communication. Debugging Arduino program using serial monitor. Sending sensor data to the computer for login. Controlling Arduino remotely through a computer or Bluetooth. Communicating between multiple Arduino boards. From this topic, students can understand the basic. What is the primary characteristics of serial communication? All bits sent simultaneously. Multiple lines are used for data transfer. Data is sent one bit at a time over a single line. That is the answer. What does UART stands for? Universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. So transmitter, these are about this topic. So thank you. So from this topic, students can easily understand the basics of Arduino serial communication. And if you see for other communication, we will come to for the next topic. Thank you.